So I'm taking you throughout my house. I start off in our hall. We kind of have like a sunken hallway and then a main hallway. So I start off in the sunken hallway, move on to the main hallway, then move to my dining room and into my family room, and then I'll move into the basement. And I'll stay quiet for most of the time. All of these things that I'm showing you, most of these things are DIYs, and I'll link the playlist from my DIY channel. So if you don't know, I have a DIY channel. I'll link that to the description below if you wanted to check anything out. And so just enjoy and don't get too spooked out. So I will be doing a front porch and like outdoor Halloween decor tour as well. So that'll happen a little bit later on this week. It's been really rainy and really windy here, so I don't want to put out more than what I've put out because a lot of them I'm afraid will go flying off. I already lost a ghost. I had to go down the street looking for it. So I will put more out at the end of the week. It's supposed to be nicer, so I'll take some nice pictures and videos for you guys to show you what I've done. It's looking really nice. Some of my pumpkins are also kind of going away, so I'll have to swap those out. I had those out for my fall decor, so I will be taking those out and replacing them with my big jack-o'-lantern that you saw here, and then maybe buying one or two more big orange pumpkins. And if you're interested in any of the tiered trays that I'm showing you in this episode, you can go to the link above, and that's my tier tray video episode, which I published last week. So you can take a look at that to see what all those things are. And so this is our basement. Our basement is, I think, a lot of fun. It's got a lot of the kid-friendly kind of DIYs from the Dollar Tree, some that I made, some that I bought, and it's got a mixture of fall stuff. It has a lot of stuff to look at, which I love. The kids love it, so this is their space down here. I had redone this last year. No, the year before. Sorry, the year before. And they really, really enjoy this space now. It used to kind of be a space that we just used during the summer, but now it's kind of like a year round. And we use it during the summer because of the swimming pool. Don't mind the cat and don't mind under the deck. There's a mess there because we started our fall cleanup. So a lot of the stuff that we don't want getting wet is out there now, or like we don't want freezing over or whatnot, like my garden containers and all that stuff. But yeah, so this is the basement. I wasn't going to make this spooky, as my kids say, but they really wanted me to, so I did. And here are just some close-ups of just little mishmash of decorations that I added in. Like I said, it's not like it's definitely a kid-friendly space, but I really do like the way it came out. And some of my Kirkland-inspired DIYs, my little garland that I made. All super nice. All of this is handmade by me, including the clock. I may repaint that clock. I don't know if I'm loving the color right now, but this is what it's looking like now. More DIYs and crafts that we made with the kids together. And then just other little decorations down here. And then my books. My books from school and all of that stuff. So anyway, that's the basement. Oh yes, and then there's the tray. And I'll show you a picture after this of the tray that I made. But I'm sure you've already watched the tiered tray video where you would have seen how I put that together. But again, most of the stuff was handmade. So here it is. Well, here it is. Hopefully you enjoyed a little sneak peek of my house for Halloween. I hope you enjoyed it and come back on Friday to see the front porch Halloween tour. And thank you so much. Have a great day. Stay safe and thanks for watching.